Most digital transformation projects fail, not because of the technology, but because of how businesses approach it. In fact, research shows around 70% of projects never meet their goals. The reason? Businesses rush into digitalization without fixing the fundamentals. If you are planning to digitize your operations in 2025, there are 5 common mistakes to avoid and what to do instead. Mistake number 1, automating a broken process. If the workflow is messy, automation will just make it fail faster. Take expense approvals. If reports bounce between 5 different people over email, automating that process won't solve the bottleneck. It just makes a broken system run faster. Another example, if your sales team doesn't have a consistent follow-up process, automating outreach will only multiply the confusion. The fix? Simplify first. Cut out redundant steps, merge duplicates, and clarify who does what. Then, automate the version that actually works. Mistake number 2, shopping for tools too early. A lot of businesses start a digital journey by shopping for tools. They spend weeks comparing project management software or CRM platforms before they even define the problem they're trying to solve. The result? They pick a tool with lots of features, but it doesn't fit their actual workflow. For example, adopting a complex CRM when the sales process is still tracked in scattered spreadsheets, or rolling out a project management suite without documenting how projects actually move from start to finish. The fix? Process first, tool second. Map the workflow, understand the pain points, and then pick the software that fits those needs. Mistake number 3, overcomplicating the solution. Digital doesn't mean more features. The best internal tools are simple, focused, and easy to use. For instance, an employee leave request app doesn't need dashboards, analytics, and integrations with every HR system. It just needs one form for the employee and one approval for the manager. But when companies overcomplicate things, adoption drops because employees resist tools that are harder than the old way. The fix? Start lean. Build only what's necessary, get people using it, then expand features based on real feedback. Mistake number 4, trying to fix everything at once. Digitalization projects collapse when businesses try to do too much at once. They launch a huge system that touches HR, finance, and sales all in one rollout. It overwhelms the team, slows adoption, and creates more resistance than progress. Instead, start with one process, like onboarding new employees or managing inventory. Build that, prove the value, and let your team see the benefits. Success with one tool builds trust and momentum for the next one. The fix? Think small wins, not big bangs. Step-by-step transformation always outperforms all at once. Mistake number 5, skipping testing and feedback. Don't assume you will get it right the first time. Even the best designed tool will change once real people start using it. By listening to the feedback and iterating, the tools can become something employees actually love to use. The fix? Launch early, gather feedback, and adjust. The best digital tools evolve alongside your team. Avoid these 5 mistakes and your digital transformation will actually stick. Start small, keep it simple, and build step by step. And if you want the full playbook, check out my 7-step guide to digitizing your business. It's linked below along a free worksheet to help you get started. And don't forget to subscribe for more videos like this. I'll see you in the next one.